Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Let me ask you something. How many times in a day do we think about others? What they say about us? Whether they appreciate us or whether they criticize us. And how many times in a day we think about others, we appreciate them or we criticize them? So when someone praises us, we feel at the top of the world. But when they criticize us, we feel low. This roller coaster continues and most of our energy gets stuck in this. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at tongue 755 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji gives us a direct pointer. राग सूही महला तीजा कार 10वां एक टुमकार सतगुरु प्रसाद. दुनिया ना सालाहे जो मरवंसी, do not praise the world, it shall simply pass away. Then Guruji says, Loka na salahe jo mar khak thi, which means do not praise other people, they shall die and turn to dust too. Waho mere sahiba waho, which means waho, waho, hail, hail to my Lord and Master. And then Guruji says, Gurumukh sada salahiye sacha ve parvaho rahao, which means as Gurumukh, forever praise the one who is forever true, independent and carefree. Now why does this Hukamnama say this? Because both the world and people are temporary. If we build our happiness on them, our happiness becomes temporary too. Now someone might ask me, but don't we all need appreciation? Doesn't acknowledgement give us encouragement? Yes, appreciation feels good. It's natural to like it. But here's the distinction. Acknowledgement is like fuel. It can give us boost, energy for the rest of the journey. Now I'm going to say something very important, which is very important to understand. Dependence on praise is like addiction. If we can't move without it, then we have lost our freedom. So this beautiful Hukamnama is not saying reject appreciation or don't appreciate others. It's saying don't simply depend on it. Think about the students. When the teacher appreciates them, they feel motivated. That's healthy. But if they start studying only for praise, then what will happen? If praise comes, they are happy. If praise doesn't come, would they stop studying or would they stop working? Now that's being a slave to appreciation. Real power is when appreciation encourages you but does not control you. When we look for appreciation, our life is run by others' opinions. But when we live from the eternal truth, that's the highest source, our life is run by inner freedom. Now that's the difference between living as a reaction versus living as a creation. One is dependent, the other is free. There was a singer I know, one of my clients. She loved applause, loved appreciation. Every performance she waited for claps. One day the mic failed in the middle of the concert. The hall went silent, no claps. She walked off stage feeling worthless. Then her guide who taught her music, he told her, if your singing is only for claps, you will always be empty. Sing for the truth itself. Sing for the truth itself, then even silence will feel like applause. So, welcome appreciation when it comes. Use it as encouragement. But never let it define your worth. Anchor your value in the eternal, your breath, your life, your connection to the one who never changes. When appreciation is there, smile. When it's not there, still smile, still move forward, and that's freedom. So, my dear friends, remember appreciation is beautiful, but it's not oxygen. You can live without it. When you root yourself in the eternal, you carry your own oxygen cylinder with you. Then praise or criticism becomes like a passing weather. It doesn't control your climate inside. So here's one small assignment for you to do. Every time you receive appreciation or criticism, pause for 10 seconds. Ask yourself, is my energy coming from this, or is my energy coming from within me? Write down at least one moment where you notice the difference. This little practice can free you from the roller coaster of opinions and bring you closer to what is real, steady, and unshakable. So don't be the slave of claps. Be the master of your own rhythm. Appreciate the eternal and live free, and that's the real freedom. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Amar Das Ji, Sarbat da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.